Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about a designer neckline with the help of piping. But before that, I would like to tell you that for those who always wanted my tutorials in Hindi, I have a new sewing channel, Fashion Updated, in which you can watch my videos in Hindi. So link is in the description box. You can go and check it out, and please subscribe to it to enjoy my videos in Hindi. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So firstly I will start with the interface. So this is my interface and I have folded this in half. Length is 14 inches and width is 10 inches. Now from the folded side I am going to mark the width of my neckline. So I am taking 2.5. You can take 3 inches also according to your choice. Now depth I am giving 6 inches here, and then I will take 2.5 inches from here also, and I'll make a line. I'll join these 2 points to make a block like so. Now in this block I'm going to give a simple round neck. Now from this side, from the folded side, I'm taking around 1/4 inch and I'm marking a point here. And from the neckline I'm taking 1 inch of gap and then marking a point. So you can always increase or decrease the width of this points. If you want, you can take 1.5 also. That will also look good. Now join all these points like so. Now from the sides, from this corner I'm giving curve. And from the down part also I'm giving a curve. If you want, you can give a line also, a slanting line like this. Now I will cut this out. So first I will cut the outer part. Now I'm going to cut the inner part also. So cut this round neckline. So here my cutting is done and my interface will look like this. Now I'm going to attach this to the fabric. So with the help of iron you have to attach it. So shiny part will be facing the fabric side. And now give the iron and stick this to the fabric. Now I'm going to cut the fabric according to the design. So this is done. Now I will attach my piping to the neckline. So you just have to make sure that your piping side will be facing at the inner side of your neckline. So for that you can mark a line so that your work will be easy. So just on the edges of neckline you have to make a line and then attach your piping on this. So here you can see this is my line. I'm just placing my piping on this and then I'm giving the stitch. Here you can see my piping is facing the inner side. So this is very easy. You can see the instructions that I'm giving here, and accordingly you can make your neckline. Very easy to follow instructions. So here my piping is attached. Now I'm giving these small cuts to all over the neckline, and I will turn this part to the wrong side and I will take out my piping like this, and then I will give the top stitch. So here you can see I'm giving top stitch. Here my top stitch is done. Now I will fold this in half and I will make a center line. So this is the center line of my neckline. Similarly, I will make the center line of the kurti also. So I will cut this notch and then I will make a straight line here. Now I will place my neck design on this, matching both the notches and the center line. Here I have pinned this and now I'm going to join both the pieces from the neckline. So here I have given the stitch and now I will cut this part and then I will give small cuts. Now I will take this part to the right side of the kurti. I will take out the neckline properly and then I am giving top stitch to the edges of my neckline. So here this is done. Now I will match both the lines of this part and then I will pin this. Now I'm going to give stitch here to the outer part of the neckline. So now I'm going to attach piping to the inner part of my neckline. So this is the piping and I will place it like this and then I will give the stitch. So here you can see my piping is attached to the neckline and it's looking like this. From the wrong side it is looking like this. You can fold this part and give stitch with the help of needle and thread. And from the right side my neckline is looking like this. So this was so easy to do. If you want you can attach some buttons here. So here I have these decorative buttons. I will attach it here so that it will look more beautiful. So this was really easy tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it then please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And yes, you can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. And yes, आप मेरे हिंदी चैनल को भी ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. सारे लिंक्स मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रखे हैं. तो मैंने नया हिंदी चैनल जो खोला है फैशन अपडेटेड, आप उसमें जाएं और हिंदी ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें.